Don't talk into the mic. Don't talk into the mic and I'll buy anything in the 1 mile radius. Can you tell me your name? What's your age? Can you tell me your WeChat? Where do you want to go? So where are you from? He has a Weibo? What's your favorite brand? What's your favorite food? Where do you like to go for the vacation?
She did the honor of signing off for you. Here's your keys.
Wait, which card did you...
Baby, you got something in your nose.
Please don't follow me. I cannot afford the next part.